Good morning, students. Welcome to class 5 mathematics. Today again we are doing some objective mathematics. So come to the first problem. Number 1, 625 divided by what equals to 25. So here 625 is the dividend. We have to find out the divisor and quotient is 25. So just divide 625 by 25. So if you divide 625 by 25, you will get 25 here. So 625 divided by 25 equals to 25. So answer is 25. Next, number 2, dash tens make a crore. So how many tens make a crore? We know that 100 lakhs means 1 crore. So 100 lakhs means 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs. So how many tens? Answer is 10 lakhs. Answer is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs tens make a crore. Next, number 3, the difference between the predecessor and the successor of 1 million is. The difference between the predecessor and the successor of 1 million. Here the options are number A1, B2, C, 10 lakhs, D, 10 lakhs 1. So we know for any number, predecessor is the just before the number and successor is the just after the number. So difference between the predecessor and the successor of 1 million is option B, 2. Next, number 4. The digit immediate to the right of 10 lakhs shows dash place. The digit immediate to the right of 10 lakhs shows dash place. Here the options are option A, crore, B, 10 crore, C, 10,000, D, lakh. So the digit immediate to the right of 10 lakhs. Everyone just remind the table. You can see there, just right to the 10 lakhs is lakhs. So option D is correct. Next, number 5. The product of two numbers is 10,800. If one number is 90, what is the other number? So the product of two numbers is 10,800. If one number is 90, what is the other number? So other number, how can we get? We have to divide 10,800 by 90. So 90 ones are 90. 8 1. 1 0 comes there. 92 are 180. Now this 0 comes to here. So what is the answer? Answer is 120. So other number is 120. Next question number 6. Which is the smallest odd prime numbers. Which is the smallest odd prime number? So, odd prime number, smallest odd prime number is 3. Smallest odd number is 2. After that 3, after that 5, like that. But the smallest odd prime number is 3. Next, question number 7. 165 minutes equals to dash hours dash minutes. So if you, how we can convert minute into hour? We have to divide by 60. So if I divide 165 by 60, so 60 to the 120. So 45 is the remainder. So 2 is hours, 45 is minutes. So 165 minutes equals to 2 hours 45 minutes. Next, number 8. Divisor is 4, quotient 12, remainder 3. What is the dividend? Divisor 4, quotient 12, remainder 3. What is the dividend? So we know that dividend equals to what? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 4 into 12, divisor is 4 multiplied by quotient, that is 12, plus remainder, that is 3. So 4 12s are 48, 48 plus 3, that is 51. So 51 is the dividend. Dividend equals to, just remember the formula, dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 4 into 12 plus 3, that is 51. Now we have to do some homework. Number 1. What is the smallest even prime number? Number 2. Length of rectangle equals to dash by breadth. What by breadth? Number 3. The two prime factors of 65 are dash and dash. Here the options are given. Number A, 1 and 65. B, 5 and 13. C, 60 and 5. D, 15 and 20. Number 4, the least multiple which is common for both 15 and 25 is number A, 75. Number B, 25. Number C, 50. Number D, 15. Number 5. I am a prime number. If you subtract 1 from me, I will become divisible by 9. Who am I? Options are A, 29. B, 19. C, 17. D, 11. Question number 6. The largest prime number between 1 and 100 is option A, 89. Option B, 97. Option C, 99. Option D, 93. Question number 7. 340 minutes equals to how many hours, how many minutes? Number 8. Divisor equals to 7. Quotient equals to 8. Remainder equals to 5. Dividend equals to what? Number 9. the product of two numbers is 238. If one number is 17, find other number. Number 10, the digit immediate to the right of lakh shows dash place. Number A, 1000. Number B, lakhs. Number C, 10,000. Number D, 100. So must do this homework. This is for your practice.